Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you where you can find all typing settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System Settings over here. Then you need to click on Keyboard and Input Method and finally select Keyboard. After that, just click on Text Correction and all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!